In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a WhatsApp plugin called Cresta Help Chat for WordPress. So from inside my dashboard, I am going to head down to plugins and add plugin. And from here, I am just going to type Cresta. And now I'm seeing several options. So the first one says Cresta Help Chat, and it has more than 10,000 active installations. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit install, and it's installing, and it has been installed, and I'm going to activate it now. After installing the plugin, you should look for it on the left side of your WordPress dashboard. In this case, I'm going to go down to settings, and I can see Cresta Help Chat from here. So I'm just going to enter. So it's immediately prompted me to upgrade to the Pro version, which I'm not going to do on this video. But if I scroll down, I can see some of the features of the Pro version. And some of the features are change position on the box button, change WhatsApp number, title and welcome text for specific post page, choose up to 3 box tiles, change colors of the button, short chord and text, and it does show more details. So let's go into configuration of this plugin. First option says choose box tile. I have 3 options. 2 of them are for the Pro version, so I know I'm not going to use them. And the box style for the free version is similar to this. It does have a box text on the top, and by default it says Cresta WhatsApp Chat, and we can change that here. And by default it does have a placeholder text that reads, "Hi there, use this box to send me a message via WhatsApp," and you can see that I can change that here. And it does have a send button message, and by default it says send via WhatsApp, which is this one here. The next group of options appear under the general box settings, and the first one is use the plugin with. There are 2 options, WhatsApp number or WhatsApp group. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use a WhatsApp number. Other plugins will say that you should use a plus sign, but this one doesn't say anything about using a plus sign, so I'm just going to go straight with my area code. And later, if it doesn't work, then I'll come back here and add a plus sign. The next 2 options, WhatsApp ID group and open group in, are grayed out, most likely because I have chosen to use the plugin with a number. But if I had chosen WhatsApp group, then I will have the options to enter the information in these fields. And by choosing the WhatsApp group option, then the box text, placeholder text, and send button fields are grayed out. So I'm going to go back to WhatsApp number. And for the box text option, I'm just going to leave it as Cresta Help Chat. You can also leave it blank if you don't want to use this box text. And the default placeholder text message says, "Hey there, use this box to send me a message via WhatsApp." I'm just going to go ahead and change that to, "Hi, message me on WhatsApp." And the default text for the send button field says, "Send via WhatsApp." I'm just going to change that for start WhatsApp chat. Then I have a close the floating box by clicking anywhere on the page option, so I can enable or disable it. I'm just going to leave it disabled. And as you can see, the other options, and it's labeling them as Pro version. So for example, title and send button color. If I had the Pro version, I could actually change the color. Title and send button background color, I could also do that, and several other options here. Then I have this option here, show WhatsApp button, both on mobile and desktop, only on mobile, only on desktop. So I'm just going to keep it as both mobile and desktop. I'll find the next group of options underneath the floating box section. And the first one says show floating box. So yes, I want to keep that enabled. And I also have show the floating box, so I can show it on the entire website, on a home page, on the blog page, category pages, tag pages, auto pages, and so on. I feel like the options here are pretty much what I wanted. For example, I wanted to display on the home page, and if my site had a blog page, I will also want it to appear on the blog page. I'll definitely want it to appear on post pages and on pages. So I'm just going to keep all these options enabled. And then this option seems to be specifically for desktops. It says on desktop, when the button is clicked, and it has several options. The first one is open plugin pop-up, and the second one is open WhatsApp web directly. So you could choose either one. I feel that opening WhatsApp web directly will be better. And these other options here are for pro users. So for example, preset text, icon color, icon background, icon animation, and so on. You'll have to upgrade to the pro version in order to be able to use them. And if I scroll down a little more, I have another group of options under shortcode and PHP code. But these are options that I will usually not mess with. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save changes. And now I'm going to run to my mobile device to see how this works. So from here, I'm just going to open up my WP Chat Solutions page. And as it loads, I can see that I have a WhatsApp button on the lower right corner. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch that button, and it opens up directly in WhatsApp. And from there, I can enter a message. So for example, hi, please help me. And here I'm going to hit the send button. And as you can see, the message has been sent. So it was able to connect me directly to WhatsApp from the mobile device. Now I'm going to try on a desktop device. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my WP Chat solution here and see what happens. So it loads up the WP Chat solution site, and I can see a WhatsApp button on the lower right corner. When I touch it, it does come up with that window that we saw originally, and it does have the Cresta Help Chat as the title. In the message section, I can see the placeholder that says, hi, message me on WhatsApp. And finally, the start WhatsApp chat button. So let me just go ahead and type something here like, I want to place an order. Just see what comes up here. And I'm going to hit start WhatsApp chat. And it should open up directly on WhatsApp web. Seems to be doing that now. And as you can see, the message was already entered in WhatsApp, and all I have to do now is just hit the send button here. So the message has also been sent from WhatsApp web. So as you can see, that is how to use the WhatsApp plugin called Cresta Help Chat for WordPress. But now stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.